To new investors, the stock market can seem mysterious and even intimidating. Fortunately, there are strategies to make money investing in stocks and limit your risk, even with little experience or money. This video will review the pros and cons of stocks and how to use them to build wealth safely. Companies issue stock to raise money for projects like research, opening a new division, or hiring engineers. Publicly traded stocks are bought and sold on markets or exchanges like the NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, and the S&P 500. Stocks have lots of advantages, like being affordable compared to other assets like real estate. Plus, they offer the most potential for growth. While there's no guarantee that every stock will rise, since the 1920s, the market has returned an average of 10%. Over the long term, no other type of mainstream investment performs better than stocks. But the primary downside to stock investing is that prices can be volatile, making them risky in the short term. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, a better strategy is owning a diversified stock portfolio. That allows you to earn higher average returns while reducing risk, because it's not likely all your investments could drop in value at the same time. Diversification isn't a guarantee that you'll make a killing with your investments, but the idea is that as some investments go up in value, others may decline, and vice versa. An easy and simple way to diversify is buying one or more stock funds, like index, mutual, or exchange-traded funds. So stock funds should be an essential part of every investor's long-term portfolio. When you have decades to go before retirement, take advantage of as much growth as possible by investing mostly in stock funds. Though prices will go up and down in the short term, you're likely to see prices trend up and give you an impressive return over time. But as you approach retirement, devote more of your portfolio to bonds and cash to preserve the wealth you worked hard to accumulate. To learn more about investing, visit finder.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and get notified when there are more helpful product reviews, money tips, and advice.